mommy.
They don't care.
What's that? What's that?
I'm gonna go get her. I'm gonna go get that tail. I'm gonna go in the other room. Coming for you, Chloe. I'm coming for you. Are they playing follow the leader? Chloe's like, I'm playing the don't grab my tail. Chloe, it's a baby. She's giving the warning shot. And there's Nana Miles. And we lie upon him and get kisses. She's interested. She does not. But who does?
Hi, Chloe. Hi, Coco.
You gonna give Nana Miles a kiss?
Good dog. What? What? Oh, come here.
Here's our last burst of energy before sleepy time. Hold in. Don't go in the kitchen. Stay out here. Yeah. Go see Nana Miles. What's in the container of toys? Hi, Audley.
Is that right? Here comes your brother. Here he comes. Dance.
Jumping.
Jump.
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 What are you guys doing?
What are you guys doing? Are you having fun?
Hi, guys. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Are you having fun at the river?
Is that fun?
This is the craziest they've gotten over this table all weekend.
Love this table.
So cute. Yeah, what you need there, Audley? To my peeps in the back. So cute.
Are you having fun? Hey.
This video is way past my 2-minute mark, so this will not be making Facebook. Leave the doggy alone. Well, at least the doggy comes back in here. He just follows her around.
Come here. Good dog. Oh, good dog.
Holden's coming for you, Mom.
Are you gonna see me? Are you gonna see me? Hi.
We've got a bit of a jealousy issue going on between Chloe and Holden.
No, Chloe does not like me. Chloe loves me. She doesn't like me to spend time with you all the time.
This is the most fun toy here is your walker.
Every grandmother needs one.
Yeah, right. Where are you going? We're going over. I need to turn this off because we are going over to the stereo. Hey, bye-bye.